In what could be the final chapter of his illustrious career, veteran goalkeeper P.J. Srijesh continues to be the decisive factor for the Indian men's hockey team during crucial moments. Despite nearing the end of his professional journey, the genial goalkeeper from Kerala consistently delivers outstanding performances that surprise and delight fans. Srijesh has been a pillar for the team through its ups and downs, playing a crucial role in securing the historic bronze medal at the 2021 Tokyo Olympics. 3 years later, at the age of 36, he once again rose to the occasion, delivering a remarkable performance to deny Great Britain a spot in the semi-finals at the Paris Games on Sunday. Reflecting on his journey, Srijesh once remarked, "Goalkeepers are like fine wine, they get better with age." As he prepares to retire from international hockey after the Olympics, he is savoring every moment on the world's biggest sporting stage. In a moment of pure elation, Srijesh performed an impromptu sit-down jig after making two crucial saves in the shootout against Great Britain, securing India's place in the semi-finals. His contributions to the Indian hockey team's victories are indispensable, be it at the Tokyo Olympics or the ongoing Paris Games. Srijesh was instrumental in India's bronze medal win in Tokyo, making critical saves in the match against Germany, which ended 5-4 in India's favor. Known for his ever-smiling demeanor and animated presence on the field, Srijesh celebrated by sitting atop the goal post, a moment mirrored on Sunday with his exuberant celebration of the 4-2 victory. The Indian defense led by Srijesh put up a valiant fight against Great Britain despite being down to 10 men after Amit Rohidas received a controversial red card. Great Britain mounted relentless attacks, but Srijesh's tenacity and positioning in front of the goal were impenetrable, earning him the nickname the Great Wall of India. Great Britain managed 21 shots on goal and secured 10 penalty corners, but Srijesh's reflexes and game-reading abilities proved unbeatable. In the shootout, after initially being outwitted, Srijesh quickly adapted and made two crucial saves, showcasing his experience and skill honed since his senior debut in 2006. Throughout the 5 pool matches, including the historic 3-2 win over Australia, Srijesh's performances were instrumental in India's success. Before Sunday's match, Srijesh acknowledged it could be his last international appearance and was determined to give his all. "When I stepped on this field today, there were two options for me. This can be my last match, or I get an opportunity for 2 more matches. And I think, yeah, I got 2 more matches now," he told JioCinema. Srijesh's teammates are equally determined to honor him with an Olympic gold medal as he prepares to bid farewell to the sport. His legacy as one of India's greatest goalkeepers remains unmatched, inspiring future generations with his incredible journey and dedication to the game.
This is extra time. Extra time.